Hi, this is my bike check, and I'm about to shit a brick, so...
This is Jesse's bike, and it smells like cheese.
Yeah. Half it smells like liver. Well, start at the front, I got... 1 second. Yeah, I got Demolition Momentum tires. 235 in the front. Gen 1! I got junk front rim. I'm going to mention it. I got Giant 3D forks. G-Sport Plague. Eastern headset, like stock or something. Mosh stem, it's a wood grain. S&M race bears. Colt Vans grips. Quat brands. Eastern pay dirt frame. Probably get a different one soon. 1664 metal pedals.
What do they smell like?
Shit. Profile cranks. Some sprocket, I forget the name of it. KMC chain. That guy shit himself. I just stuck my dick in my ass! The Mafla seat. It's kinda weird. I have a different one. Kank seat post. Pivotal. Same tire in the back, the Demolition. Can't see a damn thing. Here. Shadow hub guard. Some back rim, I forget what it's called. And I think that's it. And the bottom bracket's profile too. So, smell your liver and shit a brick.